I've been learning Norwegian for 9 months now. I've made many stumbles, I've had many surprises, and I've learned a lot along the way. But this story isn't just about language. It's about finally starting something I've always wanted to do, and why you should stop watching and start creating too. My name is Noah. I've always wanted to learn a second language. You know that voice in the back of your head that says, one day I'll do it? Well, for me, that day came when I met my Norwegian girlfriend. Suddenly the goal wasn't just abstract. It was something that was real, personal, and it had meaning. And it was exciting. That's when I made the decision to go all in. In this channel, it's where I'm going to document everything along the way. Most people don't wake up and think, I'm going to learn Norwegian today. But for me, it was an obvious choice, given that I have a girlfriend who speaks Norwegian. It's not just about speaking to more people, it's about connecting to more people, and especially her and her family, learning about her culture, learning about her ways of doing things. It's about showing up in a relationship with curiosity and effort. Plus, Norwegian is full of weird noises and sounds and has some cool rhythm to it that just kind of hooked me. Hard language? Yeah, it's a little bit hard. Worth it? Yeah, absolutely. In the last 9 months, I've done everything from apps to books. I've spoken out loud. I've spoken with my girlfriend. Writing. I do journal entries. All these things, you need some sort of structure. Whether it's telling yourself you're going to write every day for 4 weeks in the language that you want to learn. Or talking out loud in public to yourself. Yes, I'm that guy. But more than anything, I realized it's about documenting the journey. That's where the real progress is made. And I failed to do that in the first 9 months. Other than writing, of course, I've written a lot of things down. But documenting that information, sharing it, and making something with it, that's what's going to keep me motivated. Here's the truth. Most people want to create something or learn something, but they get stuck in this loop of watching other people do it. At some point, I realized I was watching other people live the life that I wanted, and I decided to change that. It was sort of like, they're doing it, why can't I? So whether you want to learn a language, start a podcast, or make your first video, stop consuming and start contributing. This channel isn't about being perfect, it's about being in progress. You'll see my language milestones, honest struggles, tools and routines, like what to do, what not to do, and some behind the scenes of what it's like learning Norwegian and using it in real life. If you've been sitting on an idea, like me, like learning a language, or maybe it's just doing something creative in general, this is your nudge. You don't need to be fluent to start learning a language. That is not how it works, and it's a process, it's a journey. You don't need to be a filmmaker to start filming. You just need to start. So hit subscribe, join the journey, and remember, la oss starte. Let's begin. Det er viktig å pusse tennene dine, men du må ikke pusse tennene dine. Denne er en video. Dette er en video når jeg snakker på norsk. Jeg lærer norsk. Jeg prøver å lage videoer på norsk, på det norske språket. Det er ukomfortabelt for meg å lage disse videoene. Jeg er ikke komfortabel i det hele tatt når jeg lager disse videoene, men det er viktig å filme. Og kanskje du må ikke filme deg selv når du snakker, når du lærer et nytt språk. Men for meg er det viktig fordi jeg vil bli bedre på norsk. So this is what 9 months of learning a new language looks like. This footage was shot yesterday, actually, when I completely spoke free will, free mind in a second language. It's crazy to see progress. I don't really realize it until I play the video back to myself, and I think to myself, wow, I did this in 9 months. And that's not anything crazy. Like, anyone can do this in 9 months if you really want to. Thanks for watching.